Hi everyone, I'm Monique with Open Gate Quilts, and today I'm going to show you the March 2022 subscription box. So let's get started. When you get the box, you'll open it up, and inside the first thing you see is your letter that it describes everything that's in it, and then you get to see all the goodies. The first project is the large project. It's called Diamond in the Rough, and it is a table runner, and it uses the fabric Bluebird of Happiness by Henry Glass, which I think is beautiful. You also get, of course, a picture and the full color instructions in there. And this is the table runner all done up. So this is the table runner. And when you do this table runner, what you're going to do is you start with the center and work your way out, and then you're going to trim off your sides. When you do the binding, which I'm going to show you at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to use the tool. You also get a binding tool, because these corners are not your typical 90 degrees. These you've probably done before, not as difficult. If you do have trouble with them, you can always use this ruler as well. But these tend to be just a little more difficult. So this ruler is perfect for them, and it just really works so well. So they really lay nice and flat. Another thing I want to show you about the table runner is that the quilting. I basically use the thread that's in the box. Of course, you always get your Aurifil thread. I use the thread for quilting the top, and I did a loop, an all-over loop design. The reason I chose a loop design is because this thread matched so well, you wouldn't see it if I had done a whole lot of specialty quilting. So I ended up just doing a loop in here. Again, these projects are perfect if you are planning on doing some quilting on your home machine, because they're nice and small. You can get them done, and they're great practice. This was a really fun table runner to put together. One of the things that I did want to point out too is that you have bias edges along here. So either use a spray starch or a stay stitch to hold it in place, and that's in the instructions as well. So that is the Diamond in the Rough table runner, and those are the tools that this is the notion of the month. The binding miter tool, really cool, you're gonna love it. And then of course the thread, and the thread also works well for your other project. Your other project in the box is a key fob cord keeper. This is by Sally Tomato, and it's the cutest thing. This is what you get, and what it is it's got a little zipper in here, and you can put your phone cord in it, and you can just put it on your keychain, so you always have your phone cord. If you don't want to put your phone cord in it, you can put a lip gloss or a lipstick in it, or even some cash, so that if you're running around, you have that with you at all times. So that is the key fob cord keeper. In the package, you get the cork, which is actually really simple to sew through. The nice thing about Sally Tomato patterns is there's videos on it on their website as well, so you can see how to put it together. You get the zipper, which is cut to size, don't have to worry about that. You get the hardware, and of course you get the instructions with pictures. And one of the things that I put in, because this is something that when I was putting this together, I didn't want to have to go look for a pair of pliers. So you get a pair of pliers in it as well, so you can close the top of your key fob. So just everything you need for this particular project. Then the last thing that you get is a new Open Gate pattern. It's called Ebb and Flow. It is featuring Dusk to Dawn by yours truly, and it is actually a really cool quilt because it's made all of jelly rolls. So if you're interested in doing it, it's made of jelly rolls. It's really simple. It's a Bargello, and I break down everything that you need for it. So this is Ebb and Flow. So that's what's in your box. You get a table runner kit, including your binding. You get the key fob, including pliers to close the top, your thread, your binding miter tool, and an open gate pattern. Don't forget to comment and like the video. If you have any questions, you can always contact me, info@OpenGateQuilts, and stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to put the binding on the table runner, and hope everybody has a great month, and we'll see you next month. Quilt, bind, and enjoy.